Hey everyone, it's Audrey, and this is going to be a different kind of video than what I usually do. I'm using my vlogging camera today, and I'm going to clean out my closet. This is my closet area. I actually just took an Instagram picture of the situation right now. So this is what my closet area looks like after I've gone through and tried to decide what I'm gonna wear. It only really happens when I'm going out with friends, when I have to get dressed up. Otherwise, I'm a lot more casual. I tend to keep it cleaner when I'm going through my closet. But if I'm running late, or if I have an event or something and I don't know, I'm scrambling for something to wear, I just kind of let everything get super messy. I don't put stuff away, I don't put it back where I want to, and I know that drives my husband crazy. So, where do I start? I'm just gonna talk to you guys like this. So up here, the cabinets, I kind of have sweaters in there, a lot of backpacks, bags, my luggage, just stuff that I'm not really going to use very often. And then my actual closet for where I hang everything, it's mainly, I don't know, jackets, coats, dresses, just stuff that I don't want to get wrinkled by folding. And then in my drawers, I have things like jeans, t-shirts, pajamas, I don't know, just stuff that I can get away with folding because I don't feel like hanging it. I think I will start by taking everything out of my closet. I feel like it's going to be a long day. I hope this video isn't going to be too long. I'll try to cut out the stuff that's unnecessary, but let's get started. Okay, so I just went through my closet. It took everything that was hanging. It's now in my bed. I was just gonna start with hanging stuff, but I don't know, I figured I would just clean out the whole closet. I guess I'm a little confused because we usually donate every month, like 2 or 3 bags of clothing. So just the fact that I have this many clothes, this is way too many clothes for one person. There's no way that I want to keep this many clothes. It definitely puts it into perspective for me, seeing it on my bed like this, and just the fact that this isn't even all of them. I have clothes in the hamper. Like I said, I have clothes in the top cabinet and in the drawers. It feels good to clean, but also I'm ashamed. Just so you can get a better idea of what the clothing pile consists of. Taking a kombucha break. Sponsored by kombucha. No, I'm not.
Sponsored by kombucha.
I'm not. I wish I was sponsored by kombucha.
Maybe one day.
The closet is clean. Nothing in there, just so you guys can see. It's a little bit dirty from where my shoes were, but for the most part it's still pretty nice, still looks pretty clean. So now to tackle this mountain of clothing. Don't laugh at me. You cannot laugh during this process.
Can I just laugh at the mountain?
No. So this mountain, I'm going to go through, and I think I'm gonna do a quick sort. So what I'll do is I'll sort out the stuff that I know I just don't want. I'll put a pile of yes, maybe, and then just no. Start with that?
Sounds perfect to me.
Okay, well, I'm definitely keeping this one. The 90s called, they want their vest back. Trying on the coat, the faux fur coat. I love the pattern and the fit, but I'm just not gonna wear this. It's January and it's too hot to wear this. So how can it bring me joy if it makes me sad that I can't wear it? I see you. You're just hanging out by the hangers. Yeah. You love it when I procrastinate. That's gonna be fun to untangle. Okay, so I actually ended up doing something different than what I said I was gonna do. I have a pile of stuff that I definitely don't want to give away, but maybe I should try on just in case. And then I have a pile of stuff that I feel like I can donate or maybe sell on Depop or Poshmark. It's just in really good condition, and I don't think I'm gonna wear it, but I feel like someone else might want to wear it. So there's that, and then there's just a pile of stuff that's old and torn and pilled, and just like no one's gonna want that. This is the pile of stuff that is like torn or stained, just stuff that I definitely can't sell, or it's just in no good condition to be able to donate either. And I thought it was interesting how everything is white or beige. I think that's really weird. Went through all the hanging stuff, so now let's go through the drawers. Time to do the cabinets. This one, I don't even know what's up here. I see some bunny pajamas though. Surprisingly not dusty, so that's good, but there's a lot of space up here, so you can see all of this was up there. Doing an Instagram story for whether or not I should keep this Spider-Man sweater. I mean, I think it's pretty obvious that I'm keeping this. Like, how can this not bring you joy? Up in the cabinets, I found a bag of all my swimsuits. All the ones that I wear regularly, I keep in my cabinet. So I'm gonna have to sort through all of these because I don't know if I need this many swimsuits, honestly. Okay guys, so it's actually 2 days later. It took me a long time to sort through all the clothing, to organize it and just get it into, I don't know, some kind of system that wasn't going to make me fall into the same pattern. Raleigh and I actually went to Target and we picked up a couple like baskets and just things that would help me organize my closet better, and now I'm ready to show you what my closet looks like. It's a pretty big difference, I think, so let's do a little closet tour. Can you help me film my closet tour?
I can. What do you need to do?
Just hold the camera. Okay, so when you open up my closet, this is what it looks like now.
It looks so nice.
Yeah, I'm really happy about it. So this side of my closet is just kind of jackets, dresses, just tops and other things that need to be hung. I also have some pants here, and then underneath I took out that, what is it called? Those little cabinets that I had, and now I'm just putting my boots there. But I have another shelf of shoes, and then I keep a lot of my sneakers under my bed because I have a pallet bed. And then on the other side of the closet, so I bought these accessory loops. You can see I hung my belts from here. This has all my jeans. This has all my like denim skirts and shorts and like other skirts that I just hung by the tags or the belt loops. I have all my t-shirts here, and then also turtlenecks. It just didn't make sense for me to fold those things when it would just get messy. Every time I was looking for a t-shirt, it would just be like crazy. It'd be crazy chaos. So whenever I need a t-shirt that I want, I can already see what I'm dealing with, and then I'll just slip it off and put it back on. All my sports bras. Didn't realize that I had so many sports bras. All my activewear was actually in your closet.
Yeah, in my closet.
Yeah, so it was clogging up my husband's closet. So I wanted a different system where I could put my own clothes in my own closet, so I wasn't getting in the way of his. Then I have crop tops over here, tank tops, and bodysuits. Oh, and then I have more hangers in case I need, but I don't think I'm going to have any other things I need to hang except for the stuff that's in the hamper, which I'll worry about later. And then this little shelving system that I had on the other side, I moved here and put it upright instead. And all my accessories are in here. I just have hats, beanies, scarves. I think I have some clutches and I think fanny packs. And then on the bottom one, this is messy, but it's just because it's pajamas. I just figured I would just throw my pajamas in there. I mean, I'm not gonna fold my pajamas. I think that's weird. Hold on, let me just fold this.
Make it look nice.
Aesthetically pleasing. On the bottom here are all my knit sweaters, pullovers, and yeah. Drawers, I organize a little bit differently. This used to be where I put my t-shirts and pajamas, and now is all my underwear, bras, and socks. There's a hair there. I bought these dividers at Target so I can separate all these things. And the next drawer is a drawer for all my swimsuits. I know that it's not that organized, but I feel like I didn't really have a space for my swimsuits before. I just kept them in like a bag on top where the cabinets are, so that's really nice for me. And then the last drawer is just activewear that I rolled up all my yoga pants and then just some activewear sweaters. Up here in the cabinets, I cleaned this out so it would just be for storage. Here's my suitcases, some bigger backpacks, bigger tote bags, purses that I only use for like travel Not all the time, I don't grab for these every day. And then on the other side, I bought 2 of these kind of baskets where I could put more seasonal stuff, scarves, really big jackets, stuff that I'm probably only gonna wear for like Christmas or when we go to the snow. I think my snow boots are up there somewhere in the back. More bags, more backpacks. It's just stuff, sentimental stuff that I don't want to give away. I'm not going to become a minimalist overnight, so I'm not ready to get rid of that stuff, but maybe eventually. Okay. I think that's the closet. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, watching me clean out my closet. I'm a lot happier now because I feel like because it's more organized, I'm just going to be able to keep it cleaner. Every time I get dressed, I feel like I'm not going to be just throwing my clothes everywhere because I know where everything is now. If you like organizing videos like this, let me know because I have a very, very messy desk and a messy bathroom cabinet that I also have to tackle. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!